Hello everyone. Today is day 3 of the epic marble race. Okay, so far you already watched the videos. You already did some brainstorming about the materials that you're gonna use, the path that you're gonna use. On day 2, you watch a video about the scientific method, or maybe 2 videos. Then you created a formal plan using the scientific method. That meant to complete steps 1, 2, and 3 from the scientific method, and then on the template. And then you started your challenge as planned and you tested it. That's step 4. You were supposed to be updating your log. So far, the question is done. You did some research, videos, asked questions, etc. And then you did the hypothesis. If I do this, then this is going to happen. If blank, then blank. Then you did the experiment. Try it one way, then try it another way. That's experiment 1. You're also using your log. Now, on day 3, number 7, it says analyze on how to improve your challenge. Well, basically, this is this step. Okay? Write about what you learned. Now I know that I'm still not sure about, and then you need to write those things. For example, now I know that if my I don't know my ramp or my bottles, they're too steep, they're gonna move faster, and I need them to go slower, right? So that's how you think. This is the part where you think and you analyze what's going on and how can you make that marble roll all the way to 30 seconds. So that's going to be step number 7. Analyze on how to improve your challenge. Then on step number 8, it says make the improvements. Okay, so once that you analyzed it, then you improve it again. You tried one way, then you're improving it. And once you improve it, if you don't have the 30 seconds, then you analyze again and then go back to experiment and analyze again what's going on and then the experiment. That's why it's going to be really, really important, the log. If you take a look at the log is going to help you the total distance that you are reaching and the time, and what are you doing next to get for those 30 seconds. And then again, the idea is just to be improving over and over each run. Okay. And then take a look. Step number 9. It says just repeat steps 4 and 5 until you reach the goal, which is having the marble roll for 30 seconds on the path that you created. Upgrade your log frequently. This is a reflection. This is the reflection on what you're going to be doing next. What are you going to be doing next? Again and again until you reach the 30 seconds. If you reach the 45 seconds, well, that's going to be awesome. And master goal is 60 seconds. That's a lot. But that is very nice. So I hope to see you at 9 in the morning, so we can discuss some ideas, so you can ask me some questions. And remember, use recycled materials. Anything that you might have at home, especially if it's recycled, or anything that you might have, maybe some toys of yours can help, so the marble can roll for 30 seconds. Don't forget, update the log and update the scientific method template. This is going to take you step by step as a process on how to get you for those 30 seconds. Have a wonderful Wednesday.